Hello, today we are going to crochet Minecraft rolls. Let's start with small petal. Use the light pink yarn. In magic ring, work a chain as standing stitch. Then work 6 single crochets in magic ring. Make a mark on the first single crochet. Then continue to work 5 single crochets to finish this round. Fasten up the loop and then work a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Then work a chain to start round 2. Work single crochet in the first stitch and make a mark. Then continue to work a single crochet in the same stitch. In this round, we need to work 2 single crochet in every stitch. 12 single crochets in total in this round. Then work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Work a chain to start round 3. Work single crochet first. Then work an increase in the next stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet and an increase as a set to finish this round. 6 sets in total, and there are 18 single crochets in round 3. Finished. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now let's work round 4. Work single crochet in the first stitch and make a mark. Then continue to work increase in the second stitch. Next, repeat work 2 single crochets and increase as a set to finish this round. Then we'll left stitch. We need to work single crochet in the last stitch and then work a slip stitch in the first single crochet to finish round 4. Round 5. We need to repeat work 3 single crochets and an increase as a set. 6 sets in total to finish round 5. "30 single crochets in total in this round. Finished, work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Work a chain to start round 6. Work a single crochet and make a mark. Then continue to work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then work an increase in the third stitch. Next, we need to repeat work 4 single crochets and an increase as a set. Repeat work until left 2 stitches. Work 2 single crochets to finish this round. Then work a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Round 7, we need to work 10 single crochets first. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we need to work 4 single crochet. and then increase as a set. Repeat work 2 times. 3 sets in total. Then we need to work an increase. Last 10 stitches, we need to work 10 single crochet. Okay, finished. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Round 8, we still work 10 single crochet first. Then we need to work 5 single crochets and then increase as a set. Still repeat work 2 times. 3 sets in total. Then continue to work an increase. Last 11 stitches, we need to work 11 single crochets. Finished. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Round 9, we need to work 11 single crochets first. Nine, 10, 11. Then we need to work 6 single crochet. 5, 6. Then work an increase. Repeat work 6 single crochet and then increase 2 times. 3 sets in total. Then continue to work an increase and then work 11 single crochets to finish this round. Then the small petal is done. We need 3 small petals. The first 9 rounds of the medium petal is the same as the small petal. Now I'll show you how to crochet the round 10. We need to work 11 single crochets first in round 10. Nine, 10, 11. Then work an increase. Continue to work 3 single crochets. Next, work a single crochet, 1 chain, and a single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 3 single crochets, an increase, and 3 single crochet. Next, we need to work a single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet in the same stitch. Continue to work 3 single crochet, an increase, and 3 single crochet. Then work a single crochet, 1 chain, and a single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 3 single crochets, an increase. Next, work 12 single crochets to finish this round. Finished, work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Now the medium petal is done. We need 3 medium petals. Okay, now let's crochet the large petal. The first 9 rounds of the large petal is the same as the medium petal. Now we have finished round 9. Prepare some stitch markers. Let's start round 10. It's similar to the medium petal. Work 11 single crochets first. Ten, 11. Then work an increase. Continue to work 3 single crochets. Next stitch, we need to work a single crochet, chain 1, and a single crochet in 1 stitch. Make a mark, then continue to work 3 single crochets, an increase, and 3 single crochets. Next stitch, we need to work a single crochet, a chain, and a single crochet. Make a mark. Continue to work 3 single crochet, an increase, and 3 single crochet. Next stitch, still work a single crochet, 1 chain, and a single crochet. Don't forget, make a mark. 3 single crochet and then increase. Then work 12 single crochets to finish round 10. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Round 11, work 12 single crochets first. Nine, 10, 11, 12. Then work an increase. Next, work 4 single crochet. Then we need to work a single crochet, 1 chain, and a single crochet in the chain 1 space. Then continue to work 4 single crochets, an increase, and 4 single crochet. Next, chain 1 space. We need to work a single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet. Then continue to work 4 single crochet and an increase and 4 single crochet. Next, chain 1 space, work a single crochet, 1 chain, and a single crochet. Then work 4 single crochets and an increase. Last 12 stitches, we need to work 12 single crochets. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now the large petal is done. We need 3 large petals.